Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about the 5 WH questions. We use the 5 WH to ask questions or ask for information. Example: Who are you?
I'm Julia.
What are you doing, Julia?
I'm reading a book.
Why are you reading a book?
Because I like reading.
So, let's review. Who? Julia. What? A book. Why? Because she likes reading. So, who is about the person? What is about the object? Why is about the reason. But where is Julia? She is at school. And when? Right now, in this moment. So, now, you know how to use the 5 WH questions. Who? What? Why? Where? When?